Want to add more quick chats in Free Fire but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to add quick messages in Free Fire. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then choose sound option from the left side of your screen. At the bottom right corner of your screen, there is quick messages button. Click on it. Below tactic, there are many quick messages. Select anyone from here and then drag towards the quick messages. Then tap on the save button. And that's how you can add quick messages in Free Fire. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.